Hi there, students. A peccadillo, or peccadillos plural, a countable noun. Okay, a peccadillo is a small fault, a small sin, something that you do wrong that, well, it's unimportant. Okay, so it's easy to forgive people the peccadillos of their youth. Now, I find this word quite interesting because I think this word is used very often euphemistically to lessen the seriousness of something. Now, I think very often we use this word peccadillo to talk about extramarital sex. Yeah, so I think Bill Clinton would apologize for his peccadillos when he was president. Whereas I think his wife Hillary would say, "You SOB, you were unfaithful to me." And I think it's a way of smoothing and reducing the severity of what somebody has done wrong. And I think very often we use this word a peccadillo to try to make something that is actually reasonably serious into something that's not so important. Because technically a peccadillo is a misdeed, a slip, an error, a lapse in judgment. Yeah? But I think very often we use the word peccadillo for things that in reality are much more than peccadillos. Yeah, they are actually greater sins. Now notice we use this particularly for sexual misconduct. Yeah, so yeah, the gutter press like to publish articles about the peccadillos of famous people. Yeah, so they're saying it's a minor sin, but then it's probably the politician's affair with the 18-year-old belly dancer or something. Okay, so a peccadillo. Let's see. Also, if we look at the origin of this, this comes from Spanish, but through Latin. In Spanish, un peccadillo is from pecado, a sin, and illo, a little, so a little sin, which itself comes from Latin, peccatum or pecco, a sin or I sin. So it's a small flaw or a small sin. So I think in reality a peccadillo is eating too much chocolate, yeah, or going to sleep during an important meeting. Well, no, during an unimportant meeting. Yeah, although you might use it more euphemistically if it was in an important meaning. But a petty offence, doing something minor that's wrong. Yeah, so the peccadillos of youth, I think, is a good example of the real meaning. Yeah, the indiscretions, the misdeeds, misbehaviour. Yeah, the infractions. Yeah, but yeah, as I said, very often we use this euphemistically to reduce the intensity of it, to make it sound much less serious than it may well be. Yeah, Boris Johnson would refer to his peccadillos during lockdown. Yeah, I think most of us would say he was just breaking the law, and this is not a peccadillo. Yeah, so it's a trifling fault, a minor offence, something that's not very important. But be careful, because we use this very often euphemistically, and especially for sex. So his wife turned a blind eye to his peccadillos, to his infidelity. Yeah, it depends how you want to call it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A peccadillo. Peccadillos. Oh, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use anywhere. Bye for now.